3 simple exercises for stronger legs. A lot of people have trouble with their walking. They might walk with their feet too wide apart. They might be shuffling, or they might be using a cane or walker just to get around. The problem is, many people in this situation have falls, and once you've had a fall, you stop walking because you're afraid of having another fall. Even not walking for 3 or 4 days can lead to a condition called atrophy. Atrophy is an extreme, sudden loss of strength and muscle in your leg. My name is Doug. I've been a physical therapist for 30 years, and I've seen a lot of clients that have leg atrophy. These are the 3 best exercises that I've used to help people regain their strength and get back to walking again. 1. Seated ankle pumps. The first exercise is called seated ankle pumps. Sit in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. You're going to lift your toes up and then lift your heels up. Try to do this slowly. Don't do it rapidly. Squeeze your toes up as high as they'll go, and when you're pushing your toes down and lifting your ankles up, use your calf muscles as much as possible to go as high as possible. Keep repeating this at least 10 times. The goal of this exercise is to do 3 sets of 20 reps, but in the beginning it's perfectly fine just to do 1 set of 10 reps if you find it difficult. 2. Standing calf raise. The next exercise is called standing calf raise. To do this, you'll need something sturdy in front of you. You can use the back of a sink, a kitchen countertop, or even the back of a chair. Holding this, stand with both feet on the ground. Then try to raise up onto your toes, like standing on your tiptoes. Go up and down slowly, but don't hold it at the top. Holding it can make your muscles too sore and doesn't really lead to strength improvement. The goal of this exercise is to do 3 sets of 20 reps, but in the beginning you might only be able to do 2 sets of 5 reps or 2 sets of 10 reps. That's fine. Everyone starts at a different level. The goal is to build up to 3 sets of 20 reps with about a 1-minute rest in between sets. 3. Pillow chair squat. The last exercise is called pillow chair squats, and this is the hardest of the 3. This is a great exercise for building your quad muscles, hip muscles, and all the muscles you need to stand steady. It's called pillow chair squats because you'll use at least 1 or 2 pillows. If you're feeling very weak, I recommend using 2 pillows underneath you. If you feel a little stronger, use just 1 pillow. In the beginning, push off the chair with both hands to rise to a standing position. Stand up fully, then carefully reach back with your hands to break your fall as you sit back down. When you first start, you'll probably only do 5 to 10 repetitions. As you get stronger, try to build up. Your goal is to do 3 sets of 10 repetitions without using your hands. However, this is a hard goal, and most people with leg atrophy can't do it right away. Important note. There's an important note about all 3 of these exercises. You should only do them once a day. Do not try to do them several times a day or any time you think about it. For the best results, do them just once daily. The reason is you don't want to overtrain. If you have leg atrophy, you've already lost a significant amount of muscle, and it's easy to overtrain in this state. Resting and then doing it again after an hour is actually dangerous when you have leg atrophy. Studies and my experience have shown that doing these exercises just once a day, while trying to do a little more each time, is more effective. You build muscle when you're resting. Your body rebuilds muscles during recovery. So, you must give your body adequate time to rest between workouts. Even though this may not seem like much, it is a workout for someone with this problem. Conclusion. The goal of these exercises is seated ankle pumps, 3 sets of 20 reps. Standing calf raise, 3 sets of 20 reps. Pillow chair squats, 3 sets of 20 reps. 10 reps without holding on. It might take weeks or even months of daily practice to reach this goal. People who achieve it find that their legs are stronger, their balance improves, and they can walk more steadily. I hope these exercises were helpful. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.